Hi, Steve Miller here, divorcedeli.com. I am going to take a deposition today, sort of show you how depositions work. It's when I get to ask questions of somebody. You may be asked questions at some point in a case. You get sworn in to tell the truth, and then the lawyer on the other side of the case gets to ask you questions. This particular case involves my client who is attending by webcam. He's in New York. I'm in Broward County, Florida. This case is about him and his 4 children who reside with him in New York. The wife is in Florida and, lo and behold, wants the children back here. So we're going to have a little deposition. Sometimes they're fun. Who knows what can happen? I don't. Sometimes they're very boring. But anyway, it'll give you an idea of what a deposition is and what can possibly happen during the course of a deposition. So take a look, enjoy. If you have questions, call me, Steve Miller, divorcedeli.com.
Raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Do you have your Florida driver's license with you?
Absolutely. You want to see it?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thanks. Where do you work?
B&D Engineers.
I'm sorry?
B&D Engineers.
When did you begin residing in Florida?
December of 2007.
Well, what day in December?
I would say December 27th.
Yeah. Your driver's license was issued on March the 16th, 2008. I'm looking at it now. Is this the first driver's license that you had in the state of Florida?
I had a driver's license before, yes.
So the answer is no, it's not
No.
the first one.
No, it's not the first
Okay, when's the first one you had?
I cannot answer that question without guessing. I
Okay,
had
so
one-
guess. Give me your best guess.
No, don't guess. No.
When did you last live in Florida?
I'm gonna leave my job. I'm gonna leave my job.
I cannot guess that one. I'd have had to know that was going to be asked for me to research to remember how long ago. I lived in Massachusetts for 10 years. Before that, I had a driver's license sometime before that.
Sometime before you lived in Massachusetts, you had a Florida driver's license?
Correct.
All right, so you lived in Massachusetts for 10 years, and your any Florida driver's license you would have had would have been issued before then.
Correct.
So it would have been a long, long time ago. When did the girls go live in New York? In or about after June of 2006. When did they go to New York with Sam?
The girls and I lived in New York with Samuel as of August of 06.
Okay. So, and because
As
Sam...
of September of 06, I'm sorry.
Okay.
If Sam has to be included in it. I'm not sure. You need to clarify that question.
Did you not understand it?
I'm not sure. In August of 06, the girls and I lived in New York together.
In
Sam was
Mayville?
not there.
Okay, where did you live in New York?
Mayville, New York.
Where? What's the address?
I do not know the
Children
address.
in New York with Sam now aren't in any imminent danger, are they?
I would say somewhat yes.
Ooh, tell me about that.
I think of negligence.
You think of negligence.
Yes.
Okay, what do you think of negligence? And the reason I ask what you think of negligence is because in none of the documents that you filed did you raise that issue, did you?
No, I didn't.
The okay. What's the emergency? That requires a pickup order.
The kids were enrolled to return to school in Florida in September of Oh, there's 8.
Okay, what else?
They needed to be back to be on their schedule as they normally would be.
What else?
There was not a discussion as to them staying in New York. He and I had no agreement to have them stay in New York.
What else?
I'm not sure what you're asking me, sir.
I'm asking you what the reasons for what's the emergency? I just want a list of the emergency. The reasons that you think it's an emergency. They were supposed to go back in school in September. You didn't have an agreement. They had to get their affairs in order to start school.
Right.
Okay, what else?
And that I did not want them to prolong being in that
They gotta
house.
get back, they gotta be in order, you don't have an agreement. So, now we're on the former wife's emergency verified motion for child pickup order. Number A, which you reviewed. All of the facts that you thought were important to tell the court about to be able to get an emergency pickup order are in this petition. Correct or incorrect?
Either yes, no, or I don't know.
I do not know.
Okay. Why don't you know? You signed it. Why don't you know?
Objection
I
calls
do
for a
not
legal
know.
conclusion. My client's not a lawyer.
It calls for a legal conclusion why she doesn't know why some fact wasn't in this petition? Are you joking
No,
me?
the question was,
Okay. They want to stay there, don't they?
They also wanted to stay in Florida, so I cannot tell.
They want to
No.
stay in New York now,
I
don't
would be
they?
guessing that.
They tell you they want to stay in New York, don't they?
I would be guessing at that.
Do you be guessing whether they tell you or not? Or whether they're telling you the truth? Which is the guess? Because you have had discussions with your children about their desire to stay in New York. Have you not?
Their desire is to come and see me, but they're being prevented from coming to see me.
Okay, they want to come. They want to come see you.
Absolutely.
Want to come visit you.
They also wanted to visit their father, so what do you call a visit?
I don't have any other questions for you.
thank you very much. May I have a copy of your exhibits, please?
You can actually attach them to the file, you can hold them.
Well, there you have it. A deposition taken in Broward County, Florida, with my client in New York. There were some interesting parts of that. It was a pretty uncooperative witness. We got through it. I got the information I need. That's what we do here at divorcedeli.com. We assist you in your time of need and get you through the issue, whatever it may be, using whatever technology we need to keep it low cost, flat fee. Divorcedeli.com. Thank you.